question today is about arithmetic progression, and the question reads, the difference between the 8th term and the 4th term of an arithmetic progression is 24. The first term exceeds the common difference by 2. Find the sum of the first 10 terms of the series. So, before we proceed, we need to take note that the nth term of an arithmetic progression is given as a plus n minus 1 d, where a is the first term and d is the common difference. Then we also need to remember that the sum of the first n terms is given by n over 2 into twice a plus n minus 1 d. So, with that background, we can therefore say that the 8th term according to the question is a plus 8 minus 1, that is 7d. The 4th term is a plus 4 minus 1, that is 3d. And then what you're told about these two is that the difference between the 8th and the 4th term is 24. So if you take a plus 7d minus a plus 3d, you are going to get 24. So subtracting here, you can see a and a subtracting and disappearing, so that we have 7d minus 3d, and that is 4d, which is equal to 24. Then from here, d is therefore 6. Then if d is 6, then we are also told that the first term exceeds the common difference by 2. Remember, d is the common difference. So that simply implies that the first term a minus the common difference 6 should be 2. So this implies that a is equal to, so negative 6 crosses to become positive, and therefore we have 6 plus 2, and that is 8. So if a is 8 and d is 6, we can therefore say, according to the question, we are asked, find the sum of the first 10 terms of the series. So we have the sum of the first 10 terms according to this formula here is 10 over 2 into 2 by 8 plus n minus 1, and that is 10 minus 1, which is 9, times d, and d is 6. So what we are going to have here is 5 into, so this is 16 plus 54. So this further should be 5 times 70, which is equal to 350. And that is the sum of the first 10 terms. So that is it for this question. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.